Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week's tips, how to work from home effectively. First thing you need to do is set up a dedicated workspace if that's possible. The kitchen table may not be your best bet. For many families, the kitchen is a central meeting point and one that is visited several times per day. Odds are you aren't going to be very productive trying to work around all these distractions. The next thing, you need to set boundaries with both yourself and family. It's imperative to be able to eliminate distractions during business hours and to maintain a routine. When working at home, this can mean being mindful about setting a schedule for yourself and sticking to it. You need to invest in accessories that truly make your job easier or more comfortable, a good quality keyboard, solid mouse, and in my opinion, a good comfortable chair. You need to take pride in your space and yourself. Keep your workspace tidy, and maybe a nice drape or drop behind you so that whenever you do a video conferencing, you can put your best face forward. Now it's time for a comfortable professional look. PJs every day may have an effect on how productive you feel, and therefore how productive you are in this new working from home experience. We suggest standard business dress, just like if you're going into work. Most importantly, make sure your device is secure from malware and ransomware. More than ever, at-home devices used by several people in the family is not a safe place to store company files or important information. If not everyone in the family is trained in security and phishing attack awareness, this opens the door for hackers. Stay safe and have a great week.